Good morning. So today is one of those days when you wake up, and actually I'm having a lot of these days because I've been in Goa a little bit now and I'm wondering what to vlog about. So yeah. Guys, I don't know if it's just me, but I think that those are like clouds before like the rain, like nearing rain clouds. So I hope it is. It's been really hot. But the sky looks nice today. Guys, so check this out. This place in Porvorim is called Woods Inn. It's by Anand Ashram, so they're known for their thalis and stuff like that. It's pretty cool. They've totally redone the place now. Guys, so we finally got the thali at Woods Inn. And this is pretty much a new thali that they provide at Anand Ashram. So you get one bowl of rice, you get coconut curry. So let's see what's in the coconut curry. Okay, there's nothing in the coconut curry. So it's just plain coconut curry. Then there is shells here, and then you get a little bit of vegetable. Ordered golden fried prawns as well, so that just came. And then you get a little bit of vegetable here, a little bit of prawn kismur. You get sol curry, and you get one chapati, and you can choose the kind of fish. So I asked for modso, and that's pretty much a standard thali that they provide now at Woods Inn with the new management. This seems kind of nice. I'm quite excited about the prawns, but yeah. So that's pretty much what you get on the standard thali, on the standard new thali at Woods Inn by Anand Ashram. So that's the golden fried prawns. It's got a very different batter to it, but it's quite nice. Very different from regular golden fried prawns, but nice different kind of batter to it. Guys, Woods Inn has been taken over by Anand Ashram, and it's pretty much like the normal Anand Ashram thali, which is not bad, don't get me wrong, but it's just that Woods Inn had a different flavor to it. Like they had their smoked prawns, which were like really famous, and different kinds of things. Like even their thali had a lot more to it, and this thali didn't even have fish in it. It's not that it tasted bad, it's just that in the coconut curry, the fish curry, there was no fish. So I didn't quite get that. And it's just fine. It's not great. It's not really that great because when you go to Woods Inn, you were used to like a lot of quantity and stuff like that. But with this thali, the quantity is like they've really reduced on the amount of things that they provide on the standard thali, but at Woods Inn they used to give a lot of things, so that's one thing. And I ordered the prawns. The prawns taste nice, but you cannot really have a lot of it because the flavor is a little doesn't really go too well with prawns. So I ordered the golden fried prawns, but not too happy with it. So that's my honest opinion on the new Anand Ashram Woods Inn thali, the Goan thali that they have. And yeah.